Okay, guys, right here I have a 95 Ranger, and it's making noises whenever the gear engages. So I was uh, checking down that it wasn't the drive shaft or the U joints, and so the center support, I don't know if you can see right here, I was turning by hand and it doesn't make any noise. I mean, it doesn't make any noise right now, but if the whole drive shaft is connected, I'm not, if you can see it right here, I disassemble it. It makes noises, and it comes to this seal right here that comes from the transmission to the short drive shaft. Sorry about my English. And I'm gonna disassemble it right here. You just gotta remove the center support and just gotta pull it out, and it comes right out. For this thing, you need to use a flat screwdriver, and you just use it like I don't know, like a bar, like a breaker bar, and it comes right out. As you can see, it's worn out. So this is the main problem. If your truck is making noises like you have something dying down your truck, or like a beep 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 beep, or a continued noise, it's gonna be this seal right here. I thought it was the drive shaft, the U joints, but I've been checking them and they seem to be okay. And so this is a problem. As you can see, the seal is leaking, as you can see by the oil right here. And so I don't know if you can see it right here, it's ripped off. If I put some pressure, you can see it right there. But I'm gonna remove it. Hopefully this helps you if you have the same problem. Thank you.